Hello everyone, welcome to my second tutorial of Qgis. So today we're going to learn how to import our survey points into our Qgis, then create a DEM image from our imported points. Then after we start extract our contours from that created DEM image. So let me first show you what we're going to do. So we start import our points into QGIS to be like this one. This is for the point in Kabanyol. So after that we start create a DEM image. This one you are seeing. So as you can see here, where you can see this my cursor moving, is our point. Then after that we start create our contours. So these are our contours. Then we shall be done. So let's get started with our first project of creating DEM image and contours in QGIS. So here we are in our new window in QGIS. So what we're going to do, we are going to import our survey point. So come here, then click, so come here on limited text. So we shall select our file with our survey point. So we shall come here on file name, come here on our three dots with bronze. So we shall go where our points are saved. So we shall go, my points are saved in a desktop. So I will click on desktop, then YouTube tutorials. Then I will select my survey points in CSV file. So I will select this one. So I will say open. So here it will open up. Then I will check here. Then I will see what is my encoding system. It is UTF-8. This is for Uganda, so you can set according to your country. So then I will come here, I'll go check my points coordinates, my x is things, my y field nosings, then my z. Remember our aim is to create a DEM image, so we must have our point elevation file also there. So I click here, then say elevation. Then here we shall change to this one, project CRS. Then after that we shall say add. Then we shall close. So we shall have imported our points into GIS. Then after that, what we're going to do is to create our DEM image after importing those points. So we are going to use interpolation. So we shall just come here on our project toolbox. So we shall choose where we shall look for where there is interpolation here. Then we shall click those. So we shall use our thin interpolation. We right click, then we say execute. Then a window will pop up as you can see on my screen. So you can see our vector layer is our new, which is here, the one we have. Then here interpolation attribute, we shall use our elevation. Then after that we shall click add. So here it will say our vector layer is the new file that we imported. Then our attribute is elevation, the one that we shall use to create our DEM image. Then type, it is the point, so there are points. Then here we shall see the interpolation method. They are just to have linear and craft then tube. Then let's use linear. Then extend, we shall use calculate from the layer. So where our point stops, that's where our DEM image will be stopping. We don't want extra size of the point. So we just want only where our point stops. So we shall say calculate from the layer. Then here we shall leave other things maybe. So where I want to save our file, so I just say saved file. So we can save again our folder on the desktop. So we can say, we can just call it test one. Then we can just say, you can just click save. So here we shall have our things well. Then we shall just click run. So as you can see, I'll just click close. So we shall have our DEM image ready created. So we want to export it. So what we are going to do is I'll just come here on our DEM image, which I named test one. So I will say export as. So I will export it as GeoTIFF. So I will just say, I'll come here and check. Here my project is project CRS. Then file name. Remember you have to name your project. So I can just click here. Then in my TIFF image, maybe I can call it pond. So I say save. So I will have my pond saved in my folders. Next I say okay. So now I have my pond saved. As you can see, this is my DEM image of my pond. So after that, after creating our DEM image, so we can add in our contours. So what we're going to do is to come here on a raster. Then we shall use extraction. We shall say contours. Then here just say this is our point. This is the one we want to extract contours from. Then after that we have our elevation. We have contour interval. So our contour interval must be small because our area was small. The point is small, is of small size. So if I use the interval of 10, I will not get any contour. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a small interval. Maybe I can say 0.4. So after that I have to save my contours. So I say saved file. So I will just come here, you can say pond2. So I just say save, then I say run. That is it. So I'll have my contours there. So as you can see now, this area is our region of water surface, where you can see the black. So it is our water surface. Then this side, there are the